Do you know many people are having trouble with turning off subtitles on their Insignia TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Access Settings menu. Press the menu button on your remote control to access the Settings menu. Step 2. Select Accessibility menu. Navigate to the Accessibility menu and select Closed Caption. Step 3. Turn off captions. In the Closed Caption menu, select the Caption Control option to turn captioning off. Step 4. Return to menu. Press the menu button to return to the previous menu. Step 5. Close the menu. Finally, press the EXIT button to close the menu and disable subtitles on your television. By following these steps, you should now be able to turn off subtitles on your Insignia NS-32D310NA21 TV easily. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Insignia users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.